so now we would like to ask few of our visitors here about what they think about the program and what is the significance of it. So before we begin, I would like to request all of you to give a short introduction about who you are and what community you belong to. So your name, please.
Yeah, I am Mrs. Simi Sood and I am a pure Hindu by my religion, and I am basically from India, but we are here in Thailand for past 10 years now.
Okay, so about you?
I am Madhu Modi. I'm in Thailand from last 38 years, and all the programs, whatever is done in our this Hindu temples, are like amazing, always awesome.
I'm Rekha Gupta. I'm living here from last 3 years. Really, this is a nice place. We are enjoying every Indian program in Thailand. Indian temples are really very nice and organizing very well.
So now that we have known who they are and which community they are from, let's ask them a few questions about the event. So could you tell me what this event is about and what is the significance of this event?
Today it's our pleasure to hear Panditji Shri Ved Bihari ji from Vrindavan. He's here for a 7 days Bhagavad event. Bhagavad is a very religious Puran Granth hai. It's from Hindus and it's about all Krishna. As I am hearing, I'm attending it for the past 3 days, and it's about the Krishna and its birth, and it's bachpan ki unki baatein, and it's the knowledges he gave and the gyan, wo sab uske bare mein. It's all about the Bhagavad, and it's our pleasure, and we are blessed to have a part of it here in Thailand.
Okay. So even though you're hearing the story from Bhagavad, so can you tell me what exactly is special about today that we have so many people here? Anyone? Anyone?
Hello, I am Vandana Mishra. I am living here last 30 years. Actually, I am Indian Thai. आज की भागवत में भगवान की शादी का वर्णन है और श्री कृष्ण भगवान की सुभद्रा जी से जैसे शादी हुई थी उसका छोटा सा रूप आज हम सब मिलकर देखेंगे और उसको सेलिब्रेट करेंगे.
That is great. So how do you like the arrangement over here? Who is behind the arrangement of this program, and then how do you feel about the arrangement?
I think really arrangements are very good. In Thailand, we can expect things not like this, but it is like India only, and they are doing very well. All the arrangements are very perfect, and all the arrangements for marriage for Krishna are with Nari Shakti. Nari Shakti Zindabad.
So Nari Shakti, can you tell me something more about what Nari Shakti is?
Nari Shakti is women empowerment, I think, and it's a lot here. And especially in this temple, we have a very big group of ladies who are working together for making all the events successful. And they are doing the pujas and weekly and monthly. And they are organizing all the events. And there is a Preeti Bhoj, it's a kind of prasad after the program. And many people join this event. And I think today there are more than 400 or 500 people we are looking forward.
Okay. So I see that this kind of event and all connects you to your roots, back to India, back to your religion, back to who you are. So do you think it's quite beneficial for us to have these kind of program in a foreign country? And if yes, how do you think it's going to benefit our future generation who are going to be raised in a foreign land?
It's a tough question. Actually, when we were in India, we don't have time to attend such functions, as I am telling my own experience. But as I shifted to Thailand, I am more involved in all these events, and it's very important to teach our future generation the value of value of Hinduism, actually, I can say, the religion. Because the children living here, they are very much out of touch of the religion. And this all, I think the family is the main first step. They should be teaching their children the religion and the knowledge of faith. And not only Hindu, every religion we should respect. And it's very important. These such organizations Like we have Vishnu Mandir today, we are here, and we have other temples also. They are doing the events like this, and they are very encouraging. And we should bring our young generation, our young kids here, so they could also have the knowledge of our religion and our sanskars.
That's true. That is very true. So let's hear the same question because opinions are diverse. So let's see what other ladies might have to say about it. Coming from you.
Actually, we expected our future generation here, but I think so many children went to school, they have no time for coming. So elderly people came and they enjoyed. Bhagavad is a very rare occasion. In Purushottam Mas, it's very good to listen, but we expected so many people, but people are coming, elderly people are coming, so that's good.
After interviewing the people who were behind making this grand event happen, let's ask around other people who have attended this event, and let us hear about their opinions. So with me here are two people. Let me introduce them first. आपका नाम बताइए.
मैं भीमसेन पांडे, मैं थाई नेशनल गोरखपुर से हूँ. चारपानी मेरा गांव है. हम लोग बैंकॉक में रह रहे हैं. यहाँ 17 तारीख से कथा का आयोजन हुआ है, 25 तारीख तक चलेगा. यह कार्यक्रम विष्णु मंदिर के प्रधान श्री गोपाल पांडे की अध्यक्षता में और उनके मंत्रिमंडल के सभी लोगों के सहयोग से नारी शक्ति के द्वारा यह सारा कार्यक्रम किया जा रहा है. इसमें काफ़ी लोग, सारे इंडियन हज़ारों लोग डेली आ रहे हैं. रोज़ उनका प्रसाद वितरण, भोजन, सारा का अरेंजमेंट विष्णु मंदिर कर रहा है, नारी शक्ति के द्वारा किया जा रहा है. इसमें उषा मिश्रा, नीतू पांडे, बिमला तिवारी, अन्य शोभा सिंह, अन्य लोग भी, सारे लोग मिल कर के सहयोग कर रहे हैं. जो कथा का श्रवण कर रहे हैं, बहुत ही सुंदर तरीके से यहाँ पर किया जा रहा है. धन्यवाद.
So next, let's ask him your name.
मेरा नाम श्याम बिहारी सिंह. मैं हिंदू दसवा का उप प्रधान हूँ. हिंदू दसवा के पवित्र प्रांगण में बहुत सारे त्यौहार मनाए जाते हैं, जैसे नागपंचमी, कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी, होली, दुर्गा पूजा सबसे बड़ा फेस्टिवल मनाया जाता है. इसी दौरान हमारी नारी शक्ति हर महीने में हर मंगलवार को सुंदरकांड का पाठ कराती हैं, और ये नारी शक्ति द्वारा भगवत गीता का आयोजन हिंदू दसवा विष्णु मंदिर के प्रांगण में रखा गया है. कमेटी के सहयोग से ये कार्यक्रम हो रहा है. सारी जनता इसमें सहयोग दे रही है. जैसे हमारे भाई ने बताया कि नारी शक्ति में कुछ नाम लिया है, प्रधान के नेतृत्व में सभा के संरक्षक महोदय सब लोग मिलजुल के इस सभा को, इस कार्यक्रम को अपना सहयोग दे रहे हैं, और लोगों का आना जाना बहुत है. लोग इस कार्यक्रम से बड़े खुश हैं, और आगे ऐसे कार्यक्रम होते रहेंगे. हमारे सभा के लोग, हमारे जनता, हमारे सभी लोग इस कार्यक्रम में बड़ा सहयोग करते हैं. मैं हृदय से सभी को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं. हिंदू धर्म सभा विष्णु मंदिर के उप प्रधान की हैसियत से भी मैं आप सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और आभार प्रकट करता हूं. धन्यवाद.